Hello, this is Sharon Naraine, and I'm coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State, folks. I just want to show you. See what's going on here? Folks, this is a direct mailing that I am doing. Oh my. This is my dining table. All right, if you can see all of this that I'm doing, folks, you can do this too. Folks, these are all mailings. Okay, the Direct Mailing Club. Okay, this is what I'm in. So call me. 352-805-9846. Again, 352-805-9846. And folks, I mean, this is so simple. I mean, how hard is this? You stuff the information, okay? You stuff the information here in an envelope, and there it is. This is called the cash in the box. See that? I'm bringing it up close now, folks. You have $25, 50, 100, 200, 3, 5, 1,000, up to $2,000 in commission with this program, right? See that? We have all levels, folks. This is all level, so you have no excuse, okay, in doing that. So you can go to my website, which is createwealthwithsharon.com. Again, that's createwealthwithsharon.com. Folks, you take one of that, and also this is the cover letter that I have. Okay, the cover sheet that I have. There it is. See that? Create wealth with Sharon.com. Create wealth with Sharon.com. Folks, this is so simple. So call me. All right. Now, anybody can do this. 18 years and over, you can do this. This is for the retired moms, dads, grandparents, entrepreneurs who are looking to make, to add an extra stream of income can do this, as well as the retirees, as well as caregivers like myself. I'm taking care of my mom, etc. Be there for your loved ones, for your kids, folks. Anyone can do this. Just call me up. It is very simple. Once you choose a level that you're comfortable with, then what will happen? You will get the the kit is gonna come in the mail with everything with your program. See this here with cash in a box. If you can look here, it has my name, so you will get one like this that has your name as well. Folks, we have training and support as well available. You can reach out to me. I am willing, ready, and able to coach you, to teach you, to show you how you too can become a part of this company. Okay, so folks, all of this is going to go in the mail. You will be getting all your stuff. All right, it is very simple, folks. Okay, again, peace out. Hit the bell